I still wonder how Denji is doing. What's this picture? Oh, she is the girl who understands Denji's feelings. Huh? What?
Huh. Wait, what? Kishibe, you okay? Huh.